Welcome, today in front of me TCL 205 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's first open the settings application and after that tap on the sound section. You'll see here that media, call, ringtone and notification and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volume here, you should swipe to the left or to the right side with your finger. There's dots. By this way, just hold it and drag it by this way. We can set here the vibration for calls, always to vibrate, never to vibrate, or vibrate, then green gradually. We can also activate here the silent mode. As we can see, when the silent mode is activated, our ringtones and notifications, they are muted. If you want to turn off silent mode, just click once again on this switcher, and now calls and rings and notifications, they will ring. We can here set the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on or turn it off. By this way we can just we can just allow some people to call you, or of some applications to have notifications from different apps or alarms, for example. And if you want, you can set a schedule. You can set the start and the end time of the don't disturb mode. We can here activate the shortcut to prevent ringing. We can change their device ringtone from SIM card 1 or 2, so we can set two different ringtones of each of the SIM cards. Or we can just here change notification and alarm sounds also. And in the advanced settings, we can activate or turn off the dial buttons, screen lock and lock sounds, the charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, touch vibration, and power on and power off sounds. So to activate them, click on the switcher. To turn them off, click on the switcher once again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.